welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Taylah and I hand make scrunchies and bows. I've been doing so for 10 years now. In today's video, I'm going to be going through some of the things I've purchased online recently to make bows out of. Before I get too ahead of myself, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. I have quite a few different pieces in here. I purchased these from a mixture of places. It was mostly like AliExpress and Temu. I still don't know how to say that. And my plan is to make pretty bows out of, or at least trial some. This one will only be a pretty short video because it's only really just showing. But let me know what you guys think and which one was your favorite. So I love this one. I think it's just so gorgeous. I got this in 4 different colors: a mustard color, a white, pink, and black. Oh, and this like pretty lace. I got this. So this is like a ribbon. I don't really know how it's going to turn out for bows. So like see-through and has like the stitching down the side, like overlocker stitching, I guess. And I got that in a whole bunch of different colors. Next, I got like this velvet ribbon. I didn't realize, I think I did realize it at the time, but like look how much the difference is, and I think they cost the same price. So like this was pretty cheap. It was only a couple dollars, maybe like $4, but it's like a velvety ribbon. And then these are the same but just 2 different colors. So I got white, pink, and yellow in this one. I love this color yellow. I'm not a massive fan of this color pink though. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about that one. I thought it was going to be more light when I ordered it. So I got these massive spools. These have 18 meters on each. And I got a whole bunch of different colors. So I was going to make long bows with those. Most of this collection, it's not really for children, like kids. It's more for like the young teen adult, but I mean kids can wear them too, I suppose. That's who my like target market is at the moment that I'm trying to like target. These ones, which again is just like a trimming, and it has like a really pretty like lace. I got this one in 6 different colors. So I'm excited to see what those turn out like. Then I got some of this. So it's very similar to the other overlocked ribbon stuff I have. The organza, I think. But like, look at the colors. They're so pretty. So these ones are more metallic-y colors. A few different types. I have purpley blue, pink. I have a light blue. I think, are they the same? They're very slightly different. Maybe one's more of a blue and one's more of a green. I got some pink. So one's like a light pink and one's a dark pink. I don't know how many meters are on these. I think it'd be more than 3 though, because they're quite bulky. And then I got just like a white and an ivory sort of color. And then I also got these ones. These were the most expensive ones that I got besides that first lace. But they're colourful rainbows. So I don't know how these will go. I don't know how they'll turn out. I got a blue and a purple, a pink, blue, purple, and just like a rainbow colour. I haven't made bows like this for a long time, so I don't know how it's gonna go. But like very similar to this style bow I wanted to make. So just like tying it. I used to make those a few years ago. I got these 2 backing cards as well to try and like put them on. I was going to sell them either sets of 2 or singly. Not really sure yet what to do there. I want to have these ready for my April launch, which is next week, 8th of April. I want to have like heaps of bows, and I've also got this. So it's a soldering iron. I haven't used it before. I'm actually going to use it now in the separate vlog I'm doing. We're gonna see how it goes because I really don't know. I saw someone else using one. It's pretty much to seal fabric, to seal like this, I guess, so it doesn't fray everywhere. It's like a lot easier to use than like a lighter. We're gonna see how this goes. I'm a little bit nervous to use it, to be honest. That's my little haul. It wasn't very long, sorry. I don't have a lot more to show you guys. Show you some of the fabrics I ordered, I suppose. So I did also go to Spotlight a little while ago now. I think it was like 2 weeks ago. And I got some fabric. I didn't get a lot. It was just really to spend like the coupon. They've changed like the coupon rules. They used to have like this coupon that if you spend $100 you can get $40 off, and it was on included sale items and clearance, and you could use it like as many times as you wanted. Like it wasn't like there was nothing really stopping you from like going in separate days and like just continuously using it, which is what I did. I noticed like over the years they got like stricter and stricter with it. Like it started off like you could use it multiple times, but then it was like single use, like per day, one per customer per day, and now it's one per customer. Like you can't reuse it every day. Anyway, and they've also changed the price, so now you have to spend $120 to get the $40 off. So the deal is not as good, especially now that the prices at Spotlight are way more expensive. Like for some of these materials that used to be $12 a meter, not on sale, it's now, you know, $20, $25 a meter. All the prices have doubled pretty much. Like I remember rayon used to be $12 a meter. They were so cheap. And even like the Prima cotton, that was like $6 a meter. Builder's cotton was the more expensive one, which was $18 a meter, but now it's $25. Everything has gone so far up. But anyway, these are the ones I got. I got this beautiful butterfly print. It's also got like glitter in it, so I was hoping to put this one up on the website. I used to have one that had blue sparkly butterflies, and I was so sad that when that one sold out, I should have ordered a lot more fabric. Got this one, just kind of like a cute basic print. I guess in a cotton lawn. This one's more for markets. I find all like these bright colorful prints sell at markets really fast, but they do not sell online that quick. I also got this one. It kind of reminded me of Japan. So like when I went to Japan, I got a fabric very similar to this. I think it has like a bit more space though, a lot more white on it. But yeah, I wanted to get some more fabric, and this one just reminded me of it. Got a galaxy print. Again, this one will sell way better at markets. Got this one. The black florals have been selling really well lately, and I've run out of heaps of them, so I wanted to get another black floral to pop up. This one was really cute. It's like a blue floral, and then we got hydrangeas in a purple. Anyway, that's all of my haul. I know it's like a short one, so sorry about that. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye!